Well, hi there. My name is Michelle Keane and I am an avid traveler, you know, when coronavirus isn't wreaking havoc on humanity. So lately I've been safely traveling around places that I still have access to during this pandemic. And so for my first few videos, I'm going to be showing you around a few places in the beautiful area of Central Washington. And because I had so much fun in Central Washington, I decided to make this a multi-parter. So in this first part of this video, you're going to be seeing what it's like at Lake Chelan and what it's like boating in the desert with a cat. But seriously, you're going to want to stick around until you get to the boating shots because my favorite baby, oh look, he's awake right now. He's so precious. Look at my small bean. But seriously, I had so much fun making this, so please enjoy my awkward self in Lake Chelan. Alright, so I just arrived at Don Morse Memorial Park, and this is where people come to go to the beach. You're right on the water. So let's see what it's like here at Don Morse Memorial Park. Let's do this. So I'm really surprised. This park is actually really empty and really cool. There's a lot of open area, so if you're into frisbee or, you know, any recreational activity that requires a lot of area, there's plenty of it here, as you can see behind me. Right now, it's pretty empty. Granted, this is also during coronavirus, so people are staying indoors and socially distancing. In terms of socially distancing, everybody's actually staying a great distance away from each other. Seems pretty safe, so I think I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna go to the next park and I'll check back in when I get there. Okay, so I've just arrived at the next park. This one is accurately named the Lakeside Park, and this one actually has floating docks, which I think is really cool. You can actually like jump off and go swimming and bring your boats right up to it. The beach area here is a bit smaller, but if you like laying in grass and you can bring a big blanket to lay on, then it's just as great, I would say, except for this park is lined with cement along the end, so it's a lot less of that beachy lake vibe feel. Definitely check it out if you come here. I would definitely recommend this one over the other one, but that's just me personally. It doesn't look like you can actually rent kayaks or anything here, but it's definitely more of a bring your own stuff and relax how you want to. So I'm gonna check back in once I get to the next park. About Chelan specifically, or at least Eastern Washington, is that there's so many orchards, and so like all along the roads, pretty much everywhere that I've driven, there are these little markets of fresh produce and fresh fruit and honey, and it's all local. So I'm gonna pull over to a few. You haven't had a successful trip unless you've had Rainier cherries. There's Honey Crisps and fresh apples and blueberries and everything are along the side of the road, so definitely check it out. I'm just getting back to the house and I'm thinking it's a really good day to take the boat out. Look who's waiting for me. Hi, Finny. Oh! Wow. It's okay, guys, I got him. We just got on the boat, about to have a good time. It's still like 5:30 in the afternoon, but we brought the most essential item, which is Finny. Hi, Finn, ready to go? Why do you look so derpy? We are just gonna do dinner for the rest of the night. Nothing else that's, you know, super exciting. So I'll update you guys again tomorrow when I'm back to adventuring around Chelan. All right, see you tomorrow.